Hey, I'm back again. This is Mark. I am the Fix It Up Chappie, and I got another video for you. This was a few years back whenever I decided to do some sledding, but I didn't have any sleds, and it had snowed. It was like a flash snowing, and I figured out that I could use my kayak. I think my dad's video on this one. That's my mom there in the picture. But anyway, let's just see what foolishness ensues for a minute or two here. All right, here we go.
I ain't doing with you. I'm Mr. Sad over here.
You ready?
I don't like that jump start.
Well, maybe I won't hit it. I don't know where I'm going.
Hey, that's worse.
It is.
Scotty, give me that stick.
I'll throw it if it... You ready? Whoa.
You're gonna be sorry.
I can't steer.
Did you get him?
Lay down there and do it. Oh, I thought you was laying down on your belly.
Crazy mama.
Hey, go up your back, anyway.
You ain't doing nothing.
You just lay down and
Wait a minute.
get your head from.
No. You ain't going to...
You want this stick?
I can't get it.
Here. Jump in here.
Oh, my butt's
Here, look, we ain't even halfway up now. We ain't halfway up now. I'll knock you over.
I wanted the cheap way.
Here. Here, I'll hold it.
It was a whole lot cheaper. You got me on that.
Let's go right down that way.
Hey, what's going to hurt?
Hey.
Nothing.
What hurts?
Hold it out.
1, 2.
Now we're gonna pause it for a second. So this was up in the mountains up between North Carolina and Tennessee. Actually, it was in Tennessee, Smoky Mountains. Up near what is it called? Foothills Parkway. Dad built a house up there, and of course I learned a lot from him. He taught me all the construction stuff and all the repair stuff. And he lived on this big hill in the backyard, and yeah, this is craziness ensued. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch the rest. There ain't much left, but I figured I'd put it on here. This is a DIY sledding.
2, 3, go.
Here we go. Try to hit him.
Well, that's a challenge for you. Go ahead and try to do that sometime whenever you're feeling up to it. That'll be a fun experience, I guarantee. Anyway, that's a quick little video of us doing a little redneck sledding. All right, I'll catch you next time.